never ends.
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern El Paso County in east central Colorado, northwestern Crowley County in southeastern Colorado, northeastern Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 6:30 p.m. At 5:27 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Truckton to 7 miles east of Boone, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. These thunderstorms will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern El Paso, northwestern Crowley, and northeastern Pueblo counties. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.